Yes, I wanted to quit. I've been looking for a therapist. Wow, Graham, you're just too smart for me. So we made it to Pensacola last night, and y'all, like, we barely made it.
You still do your what is what?
YouTube. We are about to have some lunch at the house.
Back to the basics, been a lot of things, but I never been basic. Run around bases, came from the basement, never been shameless. So I got stay in the streets, get dangerous, so I might bang it. Don't like hanging unless you family, please don't claim it. Like what you claiming, what you saying, what you bout and what you need, I'm at.
Hey King crew, welcome back to another vloggy vlog. I feel like I got something on my lip. Welcome back to another vlog, y'all. What the world? It's like 8 something in the morning. Before we get into today's, hold on, something's still on my lip. How rude. Like I was saying, before we get into today's vlog, well, we're already in today's vlog. We gotta talk on a serious note, which may be a little bit hard for me because I'm just so animated, and I woke up today feeling so great because I am literally breaking free. So let's talk. The reason why I have been so inconsistent, like very inconsistent with, you know, putting up vlogs, is because I've been back and forth about completely deleting YouTube and just living a private life, and I decided to do the opposite. So child, listen, I shared with y'all before that, hold on, I deal with anxiety, fear. I'm sure everybody deals with fear, but I have been trying to break free for a while now. I have been trying to break free for a while now. I've shared with you guys how I'm not gonna let fear dictate my life and all this. Although I have been doing that, it's like a journey. It's a journey. Like, you don't wake up and just excuse you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You don't wake up and just say, fear be gone. Like, you have to work towards it, and there's just like so many levels, and that's what I've been doing, y'all. Listen, I have been reading books, as y'all know, and just clearing my mind and resting and meditating and surrounding myself with positive things, positive people. I've been changing a lot of things, and I feel much better now. I'm a work in progress. As I'm sure y'all know, nobody is perfect. Definitely not me at all. I deal with some of the same things everybody else deals with because I'm human. Yes, I wanted to quit. And the only reason I wanted to quit is because of fear. But I decided, no, I'm not going to do that. I love vlogging, I love editing, and I love y'all, King crew. Like, I don't know, like, I feel like I have a huge family, and even though I had the thought many times to just quit, I'm gonna try my best to be here. I'm gonna try my best to be here more as I continue to work through conquering fear. What's on the other side of it is life-changing, and I want that. Now, I know some of y'all are much older than us. I feel like everybody needs a reminder at some point. The decision I made to even get on YouTube was something for me, and I did that like 2018. So when I say that fear is like, there's levels to breaking it, I still feel like I've been hiding and not wanting to be so much in the spotlight. Like, listen, put me in the back and I'll be fine. That's been my attitude for so very long. I feel like I need to update you guys because there's a lot that's been going on. Like, we ended up selling my car. And yeah, so I've been home a lot, like for the past month. And you know, Brian and I have been getting out when he gets off of work. So I've been adjusting to that and not being able to go to the gym. So it's been an adjustment, but I've never had a problem with change. So a lot of future vlogs will be me at home. Yes, I need to get out and, you know, go do something, but that'll be when Brian gets off of work. Yeah, that's it. Listen, life. What's been happening? Life. But you know what we do? We keep rolling and we keep adjusting. We keep finding the best possible ways to work with what we got. I hope y'all enjoy this ride. It is about to start raining and I wanted to take Graham for a walk. We've been going on a lot more walks lately just to get out the house. But it's about to rain. I was trying to get Graham to at least come outside to use the bathroom, but he's like, no ma'am, no ma'am. So we're not gonna go on a walk, but yeah, y'all. So I've been looking for a, you don't wanna go? I've been looking for a therapist. My thing is, I like to talk to people like face to face, especially when I'm trying to get like some professional help, professional advice. Like, I want to be in a room with you, so I'll have to find one that's like online or like Zoom, or I don't know how they do it, but I haven't found any that have any openings. Like, nobody wants to talk to me. Nobody wants new patients or whatever they call those, clients or whatever. So I may have to look like in different cities, because now I have to go online because, you know, I can't go anywhere. I can't drive anywhere. But yeah, I am looking for a therapist, and I'm just looking forward to sharing more with y'all and just being the light that I am. I am no longer going to not give myself credit. Y'all, my hair looks so full. Okay. I see what you're trying to do here. Anyway, I'm about to take 30 minutes out my day, maybe an hour, however I feel, to read this new book that I started reading. It's called Such a Fun Age, and I'm on chapter, I think I'm on chapter 3, y'all. Is it 3 or 4? No, I'm on chapter 3, and I finished this book a few days ago. The vlog that you guys, the last vlog that you guys saw about me talking about people pleasing and yeah, shopping, doing some birthday shopping, that was like a week ago. Like I said, I've been taking days off, so that was like a week ago, but I decided not to trash that footage because so I'm done with this book now. It was a great book. In the back it has I like how he just standing on me. In the back it has a journal, and it has resources in it as well in the back. So it has this journal right here, and I'm gonna go back and write in this. But yeah, that was a great book. So I like to read, I like to go from informational books, and then I'll read a novel and then informational novel, you know, just to like have some balance, because I really like reading novels. I feel like I'm in a different world, and yeah, the imagination just goes wild. So while it's raining, I guess I'll do my nails. I did my nails February 3rd. So it's been about 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks, y'all. Actually, I think today makes 2 weeks. Today is my friend's birthday. She's now 34 as well. Our godson's mother. Yeah, so today is actually 2 weeks since I did my nails, and I did just a regular manicure, and just the polish came off on my index finger, and you know, the rest of them are still on, hanging on. They're just growing from my cuticle. So they still look pretty good, so I did a good job. That was my first time doing a manicure in a long time. So yeah, I plan on caring for my nails this year, so you guys may or may not see me with any of the gel tips that I usually use. I'm just working with my natural nails and taking care of my natural nails. Make sure you exercise self-care internally as well. Okay, I hope that I don't come off as like a mother. I know that when I talk to people, I tend to talk in like a motherly way. Like I can't describe it because I'm not even a mother, but my sisters call me Mama Meek. So if they can't get in contact with my mom to talk or anything, they'll call me Mama Meek. So please excuse me if I come off as being like trying to tell you what to do. I'm just very passionate, and and I love to see people thrive. Okay, so yeah, anyway, I don't know what color polish I want to use. I'm not going for white this year. I'm trying not to go for white this year. I'm trying to do things a little bit different, so I'm gonna pick out another color to put on. I was thinking maybe blue. I like pastel-y colors, like those light pinks and light blues and light purples. So I'll figure it out, but I gotta soak. I wonder if I could just take this off. I'm gonna try to soak it off and do them over because it's time. It's time. Y'all, Grim is so funny. He saw me bring out his bag that we take every time we go out of town, and so now he's like jumping up and down because he knows. That's so crazy. Like, how do you know that you were about to go? That is so crazy to me. Like, you know what that bag means, don't you? Don't you? I finished my nails. I need to replace this. I don't even have any more of these Febreze oil refills. I haven't been couponing, and it's been a few months, but I do need to go back because stockpile is getting really low. But I did my nails over just a blue, and I made them matte, so my nails are done. They're cute. I started packing. Did I tell y'all that we're going to Pensacola for the weekend? I don't know if I told y'all or not, but yeah, we're just going for the weekend. I have 2 outfits here because we're supposed to be going to a parade tonight. Is it Mardi Gras or Mardi Gras? Is the S silent? The Mardi Gras parade in Pensacola tonight. It starts at 7 o'clock. Brian doesn't even get off until 4:30. Well, he should be off by now and on the way home, so we can just get on the road. I still have to take a shower, but yeah, we're supposed to be going to the parade, as I was saying, and I have an outfit for that. And then Saturday, just need one outfit. Look at what Brian did. Look at what he did to my jeans. Look at what he did to my jeans. He bleached my jeans. Why would he do that? Why would he do this? I only wore these jeans once. I was like, listen, buddy, you faded my jeans. And he was like, oh, I did. I'm so sorry. Well, I'll get you some more. And then he said that he didn't put that much bleach, but obviously you did, and you did a good job at it. I don't even know what I want to do with these now. I might still wear them, honestly. I'll figure something out because I'm not throwing those away. Yeah, let me pack this stuff up, and then I'm gonna pack Graham's bag, and then I'm gonna take a shower, and then Graham and I are gonna be ready when Brian gets home. That's the plan. We're gonna get it done. Watch. Wow, Graham, you're just too smart for me. You gonna have to get up out of here. I'm trying to prepare your bag. You're gonna be at your grandmother's for the weekend. What? What? Did you let me pack your bag? You know this is yours, huh? You're so cute and so smart. Hold on, let me finish. Here, Graham. I should pour all of it. So we're ready. I think Brian should have packed his stuff last night because, yeah, but our stuff is packed. I even packed us a like snack bag for the little 2-hour and 30-minute drive that we're gonna be taking. So I got all of that done. I'm about to fix like a sandwich or something for the road, and that'll be that now.
Color the way I flow, I'm a good role model. Just look at me as a bro. It's ways, so it's good until I die.
Next day, and let me just say a lot has gone on, but I had to change my clothes because it is 37 degrees, and what I had on was, it wasn't going to be enough. So I have on my turtleneck sweater and some jeans. And did he leave me? Oh no, he didn't leave me. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all, so as I was saying, so we made it to Pensacola last night, and y'all, like, we barely made it. We were pulling up into Brian's parents' driveway, and his truck just cut off. Now y'all know you know what? See, we've had a little bit of problems with Brian's truck, but mostly with like the spark plug. So one of his spark plugs, he needs another spark plug. So we thought it was the battery, but it wasn't, because the car was cutting on. It's just that when he pressed the gas to go, it wouldn't go anywhere. Maybe a little bit, but it would just cut right off. So thankfully we did you know, get in the driveway. And yeah, so it's the next day and we just got his truck. We just got it to the mechanic that we usually would go to when we were living here, and thankfully we got it here. So it told us to get here at 10:30. We're here at 8:06. So Brian's gonna see if he can leave it. I don't know where he's gonna leave his key, but yeah, so we're just waiting. I don't know what he's doing right now, but we're driving my mom's car for the day, and my Grammy Grams is with my mother as always. So I'm like looking for the camera when I'm talking to y'all. Like, I didn't get any sleep last night because Graham was barking all night long. Oh, he's gonna drive. Pop the trunk. I don't know how to pop the trunk up in here. Okay, here we go. He's putting his shoes and stuff in here. We did not make it to the parade last night, of course. So, man, I need a cup of coffee or something. I need something because I don't know what was Graham's problem. I am such a light sleeper. I hear everything, and this is why I love our air purifier. Not that it makes a lot of noise, but it makes like that, like a noise that also puts me to sleep, but it also keeps me from like hearing the smallest things, you know. So I didn't get any rest last night. Thankfully we made it here safely. We weren't on the side of the road because we did leave the house at night. Yeah, so we thank God for that. Oh, you want me to drive? I guess I'll drive you today.
Thanks.
Put on your seatbelt or I'm not going anywhere. I'm in control now. Yes, I am. Buckle up, Brian. Buckle up, buddy. I need a cup of coffee because I didn't get any sleep. I need something. I probably could have make a cup of coffee at my house. Huh?
Yep.
You want to go back? Change our minds. I'm not driving. I do not like driving. Oh, I forgot to push the seatbelt. Y'all, this bump is showing out. She's really showing out. I put witch hazel on it last night, but I guess that didn't help much. But it's okay. We are in Circle K, about to get some coffee. Hey. I don't see the coffee. I found it. Ooh, I really need this. They still have Christmas cups. I just need something. I think that's too little. You want this size? This size or you want? Oh. How do you work this thing? Can you help me?
What?
How do you work this? Which one should I?
Colombian dark roast.
Dark.
No, deep. You need.
Sorry.
That's a medium. Leave room for cream.
Thanks. They just dirty, just don't know how to clean up behind themselves. Okay. want to taste it first. I need some more cream. Yeah, we got some topping. What? What happened?
That was nasty. That dude took his dentures out and started licking them because he had something on him.
Okay, you could have said that. You could have just said you don't want to know. Brian, of course y'all know Brian opened the door for me when we got the car. And this man, he was like, you still opening car doors? Something like it's not Valentine's Day anymore. Yeah, this the everyday thing, sir. We're out at the flea market. Y'all know we was coming to the flea market, right? Man, it's cold. I put a ponytail in my hair too, y'all. I wasn't feeling it down. Not today. And my coffee is just right.
How Tallahassee treating y'all? Y'all still over there? Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Y'all just don't come. You still taking pictures? It's y'all first time back in what, years?
No, we always.
Well, probably to the flea market.
Yeah,
that's cold blooded, man. How y'all like it out there?
Man, we like it, bro.
Pretty good. You still do your what is it?
YouTube. It's always good to see good people. It is so cold out here. Y'all see the air? Probably not. I mean, everybody's sitting up under the cool shade, and the sun is all the way over there. Look at this knife, that pink knife. You need one of those right there. You would never know. It look like lipstick. The pink. Oh, that comb right there too. I don't use combs, but y'all can't see me. I look like I'm a part of the Black Panthers. Power to the people. We're at back at the mechanics, and turns out that it wasn't the spark plug, it was the coil. So we went to O'Reilly's and purchased a coil, and the mechanic is going to go ahead and put it on. We are so grateful, so thankful to God, the Father, Jesus, for making ways out of no ways, okay? Because today is Saturday. They're not even open today, but you know, when you know somebody that knows somebody, we're going to get this fixed. He said it's not going to take long, so we're just going to wait here. And then we're going to go back to Brian's mom, I think, and then we're going to drop my mom's car off to her. It's currently 11:22, and it's still cold outside, and I haven't eaten anything yet. But I do have to use the bathroom because I had my whole cup of coffee already. There is another parade. There was actually one parade yesterday. There's going to be one today and then one tomorrow. However, I'm not sure what time the one today was. Maybe, I don't know, 2 to 6. So we may go there. We just needed to handle our business first, you know, priorities. Even though they just jump out of nowhere at you. Here comes Brian. So the truck is fixed, back riding smooth, and we're pulling up to the gas station to fill my mom's car back up because that's the right thing to do. Wait, I don't know which side. I don't know how I don't pump gas. I think it's on this side. We are about to have some lunch at the House.
This used to be our
And yeah, this used to be our spot.
Sunday spot
Yes.
after church.
Their shrimp is so good. But we haven't been here in a while, so I have to look at this menu over. I know we're going to get shrimp, so it shouldn't take me long to figure out what I want to eat. Oh, look, they have sandwiches. I would like I wouldn't mind a po' boy. What are you getting?
I don't know yet.
They have tuna dip. They have po' boys right here. I didn't even see it. Shrimp po' boy. Shrimp and grits. I think I'll take a po' boy. The shrimp. The shrimp. Thank you.
Sriracha shrimp dip.
Yes, sir.
And may I get the forklift sandwich?
All right, is price okay with that?
Yep.
Po' boy.
Shrimp po' boy. And are fries good with that too?
Any bar sauce, which is our house ramen, tartar, and cocktail.
Tartar and cocktail.
And you say the house also?
Yes. Yeah, we got all the
Thank you.
You'll also by the end of the night, you're going to know what everything is we serve. So, forklift is for each gentleman, and then the shrimp would be per voice per day.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The ivy platter.
Oh my god, that food was so good, y'all. I didn't even finish all of my food. I had to get a to-go box. I ate half of my sandwich, but it was so good and very filling. We got Brian's mom some food right here. Now we're at Dollar General. I'm not sure why Brian came in here. He didn't tell me why, what he was getting out of here, but we're at Dollar General. And I think we're about to go pick up my mom and go to the parade. This man looks so suspicious. Why does he keep looking out there like that? My doors are locked. Don't play them games. It's 3 o'clock. So yeah, my sister is still at work, so she can't come with us. And my other sister, my nephew's mom, she's hanging out, you know. I have not gotten a chance to see my nephew yet, so I really hope that I'm able to see him. He's spending time with his dad, and I just really hope I get a chance to see him, even though I just saw him like a few weeks ago. I know he missed me. I know he do. I know. Y'all, before we go to the parade, we decided to stop and look at some houses over here. We really like this neighborhood. We were coming here pretty often to look at these houses and to see like what was for sale and stuff. So nice. And it's quiet over here too. missing it.
Oh no!
Oh no, we're missing the parade.
Missing the parade.
The sun is out, but it's like 46 degrees out here.
We have missed the parade.
We're gonna walk around.
What do you mean walk around?
We're gonna walk down Palafox.
Okay, let's just walk at a slow pace, okay? Let's not do too much. We are missing the parade. I want some beads. Here's some beads. I apologize in advance if my camera is a little shaky. I have the tripod, but I don't know why it looks shaky.
2, 3,
That was really refreshing. That was refreshing.
They're not as wild as
Everybody was dancing, having a good time. I enjoyed myself. Look who it is. Look who it is. I think it's like he's getting bigger. Like I just saw him 2 weeks ago. And what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? He just woke up from a nap.
You like what?
You see the light?
Yeah.
You see the balloon?
It makes you like,
You see the balloon? Oh my goodness.
it's like, it's new.
I had to come see him, y'all. I had to come see him.
That my pumpkin? Is that my honey bunnies?
Yeah. I love you. Red Public's about to get that soap that we were supposed to get for Brian's mom. Huh? And I'm gonna get me something to munch on. Who the fuck, yeah. My mama's in here trying to get a whole sub. She said she hungry. My sister's talking about she's tired. She does have to get up at like 7 a.m. for work, but there's no way she should be tired. We didn't even do that much. Brian took us for a ride. We went to go see the baby, and we went on another ride. Did you have a good day?
Yeah. Good to be back home sometime.
I haven't been home. I haven't been home since like June. Right? June. I haven't been home since June.
We go back to Miami this summer.
So that was last year?
Yeah, that was last year.
Year before last.
It was, yeah.
Wow.
I've been down there.
Well, my nieces and my sister are coming by soon, so I'll get to see them.
What the heck am I? Oh, I need to go back to.
He doesn't know where we're
I
going.
do.
Oh, I want to. They don't have the weight thing in here. I want to get on that before we leave.
I need my keys for real too.
You looking for soap, right?
Oh, you're right.
Oh, she wanted detergent. I thought she wanted
Yeah, she needs detergent too.
Oh. I need to be getting my. I need to get my snacks.
Ah, my stomach. They got envelopes over here.
I don't think they have them on this aisle. Envelopes. Oh, I don't see ivory. Oh, here it is. I don't know why Brian just threw that bread like that. I didn't realize how big this pimple had gotten. We walked around this whole store looking for milk. And I'm just following Brian.
Ooh, they got
down there, Publix brand.
I need these too. I get the way.
I mean, there's not much more. It's $2.99. The bread is open, man. The bread wasn't closed. I'm happy I picked it up. We have to put that back or take it to the shelf or something, to the register. This is not ours, by the way. That's not ours. I'll pick it. Let me pick it. You're supposed to feel like this to see if it's soft or not.
Mark first.
And to see if it's closed. Hey y'all, don't mind me. It's Meek in the future. My robe is wet because I just wet my hair, but I realized that I hadn't in this vlog. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did not do a lot of editing, so I hope you guys enjoy. That's why this video is a little bit longer. And thank you guys for the positive comments that I know you're going to leave. And yeah, if you made it to this part of the video, go ahead and leave a, what can I say? Go ahead and leave the sunflower emoji, because I am busy blooming and it's a movement. So go ahead and leave that sunflower emoji down in the comments if you guys made it this far. I love y'all, King Crew. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. To be continued. Bar just told me I need to fix my lash. Police after somebody. We didn't get anything. Yeah. That smell like relaxer.
Tryna be here for a while in a good time. When we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, yeah, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine.